What's up everyone, it's me again, Mark Paragas, and welcome back to another travel vlog here in Chiang Mai. And guys, I'm so excited, and sana hindi kayo nagsawa hanggang sa dulo guys. Sobrang grabe yung pinagagawa natin araw-araw, and syempre sobrang memorable itong vlogmas natin because we are going to witness the Yipeng and Loy Krathong Festival. Dito lang yan sa Chiang Mai, Thailand. Charan! So nandito tayo ngayon guys sa Pai Gate, isa sa mga tourist attraction dito sa Chiang Mai. Yung gate na yan, mahaba yan. Tapos dito, in 5 minutes, makaka-witness tayo ng opening guys ng festival. And alam nyo ba na ang Loy Krathong at ang Yipeng Festival is celebrate lang once a year, every full moon. Asa ng moon? Kanina malapit na siya, which is tomorrow guys. Magkakaroon din ng contest dito guys, yung parang Mr. and Miss Yipeng Festival and Ek. So let me show you what we have here. Yipeng guys is the lantern, and the Loy Krathong is the small offering, mga banana leaf. Tara, lapit tayo doon. Mas maraming mga nagtitinda dito. Kung makapansin nyo guys, may mga lantern dito kasi kaninang alas 4 ng hapon nagkaroon ng lantern contest, and yan mga yan. Let's check again yung mga lantern for contest kanina. Mga nakasabit na sila. And sobrang daming foreigners, mga turista. Kasi sabi nga nila sa TikTok, may nag-post about Lantern Festival, and sabi nga ng mga local dun guys na wala silang pakialam. Actually, parang katulad mga turista lang talaga yung mga sabik sa ganito. Tapos yung mga lokal na sa bahay lang daw. Check natin yung mga lantern. Gwapo ng mga ano ba itong mga to?
Like Chinese, they got some Japanese up here, some Hebrew, and so like it doesn't matter who walks up, where they're from, like they're able to see it in ways that other people have these.
Yun lang siya hinanap dito. Ayan. Gwapo ng mga to? Hindi ko alam kung ano. Ay, gwapo rin ng mga kakausap nila. And then meron ditong Ovaltine.
Booth Ovaltine น้อง Power สูตรใหม่โฉมใหม่นะคะมาเติมพลังบวกนะคะเติมความสดใสกับที่ฟู้ดกิจกรรมของเราก่อนได้นะรับรองว่าอร่อยถูกใจแน่นอนนะคะปรับสูตรใหม่ในรอบ8 ปีปรับสูตรใหม่ในรอบ8 ปีเลยนะคะอยากให้คุณลูกค้านะคะได้ลอง
Na-miss ko yung lasa ng Ovaltine guys. Bata pa ako yata nung last kong matikman itong Ovaltine. Masarap. Nakakaano. Alam mo yun, biglang nagkaano ka, bumabalik ka sa yung mga pagkabata. O diba? As in. Sarap nung lasa. Ovaltine na Ovaltine. And then, aside from doon, meron ditong Red Bull.
Payon na.
Kung gusto nyo ng refreshments, Red Bull. Ang kito mga ano By the way, may mga ano dito, rental ng mga Thai costume. If you want to experience yung talagang festival na naka-Thai costume, pwedeng marami kayong pwedeng rentahan. And actually, kahit hindi festival, kahit magpa-picture lang kayo sa mga tourist spots, pwede kayong mag-rent ng Thai costume. Merong 4 hours, merong full day. Tapos meron pa yung mga photographer. Meron ding saklok guys na kung gusto nyo mag-rent ng costume with photographer at with tuk-tuk service or transportation service sa mga tourist spots, may oras yon. And then ano pa ba? Yun lang guys, I'm so happy. Pero again and again guys, tomorrow I'll show you what and how the Yipeng and Loy Krathong Festival looks like and how they celebrate it here sa Chiang Mai, Thailand. Tapos isa sa mga ceremony dito guys, nung isang gabi lang, ito, binuksan nila yung pie gate na to na nagliliwanag. Tapos mamaya bawal nang dumaan dyan para yung mga tao makapagpa-picture. Look at that. Tapos nagkaroon sila ng fireworks display dyan, diba? Tara yun, ngayon ko lang nakita guys, may McDonald's dito sa Pie Gate. And look at the full moon guys. Semi patawag yan. Hindi ko alam kung ano ibig sabihin dyan. Ayan. Tara, tawid tayo. Lapit na tayo malapit. Lapit na tayo malapit. Lapit na tayo ng konti. Ayan. And I don't know kung merong parade, pero marami pang sasakyan dito eh. So ibig sabihin wala pa yan. Ayan o, diba? Look at that. Tapos sabi ko nga sa inyo, isasarado nila itong area na to para yung mga tao makapunta doon para magpa-picture. Tapos bawal lang dumaan yung mga sasakyan, kaya may mga pulis na dito. And then sa tapat lang niya, nandito yung Pie Gate. Ayan, ganda ng sunset. Oh my god, napakaraming turista guys. Wala masyadong lokal. Mga pasaway tagay mga turista. Isigawan na sila ng polis. Ay nako. Look at that guys, so with the moon. Oh my god guys, so kitang kita yung moon, no? Ayun, no? And guys, kapag mga nasa ganitong festival kayo or any events, make sure na you protect your belongings. Kasi alam niyo naman, hindi natin maiiwasan, baka may mga namantala. And sa Bangkok nga lang guys, merong may nahuli na naman ng mga 2 Cambodian for pickpockets. And parang nung last October lang, may nahuling mga Pilipino na syndicate for pickpockets din. So yun, make sure na lang you keep your belongings safe. Alright, so tawid ulit tayo sa kabila. Gwapo naman ito, oh. Gwapo naman ito, oh. Ito guys yung Pie Gate. Ayan. Ano pa pang meron dito? Ito, labas na to. So guys, while waiting, let me just give you a quick definition ng Yipeng. Yipeng is a lantern or floating lantern. And then Loy Krathong is a small offering, consists of like banana leaves with incense and flower, and both has parang meaning. So kapag nagpalipad kayo ng Yipeng or nagpalipad kayo ng lantern guys, meaning you're just parang pinapalipad nyo na rin yung mga sama na loob ninyo, mga troubles in life, mga kasalanan. And then for Loy Krathong naman guys, it's parang giving thanks to the water goddess. Tapos same din, parang yung mga worries in life, mga troubles in life, let it go. Ganon. Daming gwapo dito guys. Walang sinasanto-santo, papapestival o hindi, puro gwapo pala yung nahanap. Pero in fairness guys, maraming gwapo. Tapos dahil sobrang daming tao na, ang mainit na dito sa part na buti na lang dala ko yung fan ko. So bali guys, parang may mga dumadating, not sure kung celebrity, pero parang may mga posisyon dito sa Thailand, sa Chiang Mai. And look at that, oh. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, may McDonald's dito. Tapas I'm Hotel. Parang ang sarap pala mag-stay dito guys. Tapos dito sa tapat, ayan, may Starbucks. Ayan ang ginagawa nila. Ayun o, dami nakatambay sa taas waiting for this for this ceremony. So malapit na mag-start guys, and limited lang yung pinapasok nila dito na malapit sa stage. Tapos ayan, sinarado na ulit nila yung mga mini gate. Ayan o. Ayan, sarado na siya. Tapos ito.
และกิจกรรมทางวัฒนธรรมอีกมากมายเทศบาลนครเชียงใหม่ขอเชิญทุกท่านมาเที่ยวจังหวัดจะบริการน้ำท่วมใหญ่อย่างที่ไม่เคยเกิดขึ้นมาก่อนในช่วงนี้ของเราเมื่อต้นเดือนตุลาคมที่ผ่านมาและพวกเราคนเชียงใหม่ทุกคนทุกหน่วยทุกภาคส่วนทุกคนช่วยกันเพื่อที่จะพลิกฟื้นเชียงใหม่ให้กลับคืนสู่สภาพปกติที่ตั้งอยู่ และหลังจากเสร็จสิ้นการจัดงานแล้วได้รวบรวมขยะกระทงและขยะรีไซเคิลเข้าสู่กระบวนการแปรรูปและแจกจ่ายให้กับประชาชนได้นำกลับไปใช้ประโยชน์ต่อไป 4. กิจกรรมในงานสัปดาห์ We wish you a wonderful time in Chiang Mai and I guarantee that our hospitality will bring you back here in the future. Thank you.
ขอบคุณนะคะท่านผู้ว่าราชการจังหวัดเชียงใหม่ท่านวิรัติสุทธิถาวรโดยไปถึงท่านนายกเทศมนตรีนคร
The Councilors Corps of Chiang Mai Executive Members of
นะคะผู้เข้าประกวดเทพบุตรและเทพียี่เป็งเชียงใหม่ประจำปีนี้ด้วยนะคะขอเรียนเชิญค่ะ
And we also would like to welcome to the stage as well, standing behind our distinguished guests right now, and soon to present themselves before our guests tonight are the contestants of the Miss and Mr. Yipeng Chiang Mai 2024.
วิมลเสน่ห์แห่งวัฒนธรรมและประเพณีที่งดงามสืบทอดมาอย่างยาวนานประวัติศาสตร์จารึกจากรุ่นสู่รุ่นก่อกำเนิดงานประเพณีเดือนยี่เป็งอย่างยิ่งใหญ่ถ่ายทอดแห่ง
So naka-break lang sila guys, and then later on proceed na sila sa Mr. and Miss Yipeng 2024. Naka-break naman. While waiting, libutin muna ulit natin kung na-itsura dito. Kanina sobrang punuan. Since tapos na yung opening ceremony, ngayon nag-aalis na yung mga turista. Parang wala sila napala. And now, let's proceed dun sa high gate guys. So, ang ganda. Yan, puro mga sasakyan nandito guys. So, look. Ito yung mga sasakyan ng mga official. Ayan, pwede na maglakad. Excuse me.
You can't get through.
No, here. On the left. Mamarunong ka pa eh. Tignan mo, ang luwag-luwag. Look at that. Diba guys? Look. We're gonna walk through it. Look at that. Ang ganda. Pakarin natin. Pakita ko sa inyo. Sayang nga guys, hindi ko siya naabutan. Hindi ko alam na nagkaroon ng opening ceremony din to. itong parang pie gate nila na peg. Tapos nagkaroon ng fireworks, and syempre may mga performance din. Taray ng lantern. So this is how you celebrate Lantern Festival, or the opening of Lantern Festival here in Chiang Mai. Marami rin bilihan dito, oh. Ayun, oh. Ang daming bilihan. Tapos look at this, guys. Puro lantern. Tapos may Loy Krathong silang mga hawak. I'm not sure kung saan nila ilalagay yan. Tara, lakarin pa natin. Check natin kung ano meron. Guwapo. So guys, mga pasaway ko. Mga shoot pa kayo. Grabing mga pasaway to. O diba? Mga turista lang ang nagpapasira ng mga tourist spots, mga tourist events. So anyway, going back, this is just the beginning, guys, or the start. And tomorrow is the Yipeng and Loy Krathong Festival talaga. Ang ganda dito. And if you want to witness and experience on how they celebrate the Loy Krathong and the Yipeng Festival, guys, make sure you check the schedule kasi meron agad silang schedule, guys, for next year. And then you plan ahead, book ahead. Alam nyo yan, pag may mga holidays or events sa isang lugar, mahali mga hotel, make sure that you stay like a week, mga 2 days before the event. That's it. So this is the Mahawan Temple. Look on the side. Oh, hi.
Hey, buddy.
Hey, what's up? Hello.
Just in turn.
Sundan natin yung mga tao. And look at that, oh. Nagdi-display pa lang sila, guys. Meaning, pa-start pa lang itong street market na to. I'm not really sure where we are heading, but I'm just going with the flow. Yung foot traffic. Baka kasi may, may pupuntahan sila. Sundan natin. Oh, di ba may mga foot massage? Oh, ay. Massage. Ang gwapo, oh. Ay, ito temple pala kasi to. Let's check. Mga street food. And I think tawid na tayo. Alright, let's go. There. May music ako naririnig. So baka may something here. Oh, there you are. This is, I don't know. Pasukin lang natin. So this is it, guys. You just need to write your wishes here. Look, you just write your wishes on the lantern, and this is 20 baht. Doon nilalagay yung lantern. Pero pasok muna tayo dito. This is a temple. And look, may mga lantern sila. Ayan, pwede kayo pumasok dyan, guys. Pero take off your shoes. May Buddha sila dito. And then, what is this? See, mga offering, guys. Tapos may massage din dito. And then another parang shrine. Look. Hindi ko na alam pa ng tawag dito. Ayan. Balik tayo dun sa mga lantern. Kapag bumili kayo ng lantern, for 20 baht, you write your wishes, You write anything you want, then you're gonna put it there. Yeah. Ayan guys, so balik tayo sa Pi Gate. Ito naman sa kabilang side tayo. Charan! Tara guys, balik tayo sa Pi Gate. And don't worry guys, kasi tomorrow we have an activity again to celebrate the Lantern Festival talaga, the start. Kumbaga parang pinaka-day na Lorcatong and Yipeng Festival, which is for tourists naman, di ba? Kung ito for local dapat, pero napakadami pa rin turista. But tomorrow, puro turista. Tapos nandun na yung magpapasindi tayo ng lantern. Tapos meron din tayong Lorcatong, diba? Kaya I'm really excited for tomorrow guys, for tomorrow's vlog max. So for now, balik tayo doon sa pinanggalingan natin sa Pi Gate, and then check natin kung ano pa yung meron. Pag wala na masyadong activity, I think ano na sabi na Mr. and Miss Yipeng. Pero kung wala na, then I guess parang ano lang to, snippet or parang pambungat lang ng ating vlogmas for tomorrow talaga, which is ating pang finale. So guys, I would like to greet you a Merry Christmas later. Merry Christmas guys, at syempre Happy New Year. And I hope makita-kita pa rin tayo sa mga susunod pa nating vlog. And thank you so much guys sa pagsama sa akin dito. Siyempre, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Mark Paragas Official, and hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga upcoming travel vlogs pa natin. Siyempre, hindi lang dito sa Chiang Mai, and also sa iba pang bansa, sa iba pang lugar kung saan tayo pwedeng mapadpad. You can also follow my other social media account, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Alright? Thank you so much guys. Live life to the fullest. Enjoy every moment. And follow me as we discover the world one step at a time. See you on our next travel vlog. Merry Christmas.